that's what I'm going to be having for breakfast. Just some fruit and then some herbal tea. It has hibiscus, alfalfa, and nettle. I'll be having that, and I will share with y'all what I have for lunch as well in a little while. So I've been having this sandwich for several days now. I think Kenny and I both are really enjoying these sandwiches. I also use tempeh as well sometimes. So yeah, you guys, please try this sandwich if you can. Just try it. I promise you it's bomb. So let me tell y'all about this meal here. So I wanted to try something new. I had saw it in Whole Foods, this mango Thai sauce. Like it's like a skillet sauce, I guess. You just add it to your skillet dish. So I wanted to try something new. I actually didn't have high expectations for it. I just wanted to try something outside of what I normally eat because I'm a person that doesn't really care to try new things. You know, if the things that I enjoy are just working for me. But this sauce, try it if you want. But I'm just going to say, I don't recommend this sauce. And you're going to see here in a second, you're going to see what the package looks like. But yeah, I don't recommend this sauce. I ended up having to fix this sauce, this meal. I figured it out. I just added some tomato sauce to it, and it pretty much fixed it and made it taste more like curry. I added tomato sauce, some curry powder, cumin, and chili powder as well. Kind of just turn it into a curry dish. And so yeah, that is my experience with this particular sauce here. Now I am scared to try any of their other sauces by this brand. But yeah, if you don't want to waste your money, just don't even bother trying it because it did not taste like mango, like at all. And it just wasn't tasty. It wasn't good at all. So yeah, that was my experience with that. But because I guess I just have, I just know what I like, I was able to just kind of fix the recipe by turning it into a curry dish. And so yeah, y'all, don't try this sauce. I'm sorry, Saffron Foods, but that one ain't it. And we had this over some brown rice with some avocado. So yeah, it ended up being delicious. After the fix, of course. My camera died. Thank you guys so much for being here, and until next time.